Getting the return value of set item and length of dictionary. I have the following dictionary. I want to return true if I success to add an item. Any ideas? I'll explain it a little more. For example, items, hi6, equals SDF6 won't insert, and I want to print a message about it. Edit, lenself works. And to be more specific, I don't want to print a message about it, I want to return true/false if I success to add it. Something external to the class.
Assignment doesn't have a return value in Python, and the return value of __set item __ is ignored. Generally, you'd want to raise an exception instead. Then your client code can catch the exception. If you want to return true/false, then you have to write your own assignment method that can return a value. Then you'd use it like this. You probably also want to overwrite setDefault to check the number of items too. Also, it'd be nice, and pretty easy, to pass in the maximum number when you instantiate the class instead of hardcoding it to 5.
I just do the following. The following script. Produces.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.